Hi guys, in this tutorial I'm going to teach you how you can timeline or manage your construction projects in Monday.com. So in your Monday.com you have to press this blue button that says add item to workspace. Then you have to press choose from templates, and here you have to search for project. You have to scroll down and you have to find this template that says project management. Alright, you have to click on it, you have to press use template, and Monday.com will set up the templates for you. Alright guys, so as you can see the template is set up, and here first of all you can rename this. So you can rename this to whatever you like. I am going to rename it to construction projects. That is perfect. This looks good to me, construction projects here. So in to do I have the option to add all of my construction projects that I have to do. Alright, and then I have a done option. This isn't necessary, but you can have it, it's good. Here you can add all of your construction projects that you have already done. So for this tutorial, since we want to timeline our construction projects, all we have to do is we have to use this to do option. Here, as you can see, in to do option you can add all of your projects here. For example, in the first place you can add under task, you can add all of your projects that you have to do, and you can then basically add their status if you're working on them, if you're yet to start working on them, and then you can add their duration. So this is basically how you can timeline it. So this option, you get a timeline here, and you get a duration option, and then you get a timeline option. So in timeline you can select any timeline for this project you want, then you can select their duration and their priority and their status. So this way you can use money.com to manage your or to timeline your construction projects. I hope this tutorial was helpful. We'll see you in the next one. Thanks.